Hey everyone, I'm here from Ask the Car Experts YouTube channel, and I'm going to show you how to install front wiper blades on a BMW X5. This could also apply for the X6, both E70 and E71. The part number is 61610038893. Keep in mind on this vehicle you do have two different size wiper blades. You have a shorter one on the passenger side and you have a longer one on the driver's side. We're going to do the passenger side first because it is easily accessible without putting the wipers in any kind of different position on the glass. Now this clip here is the key to getting this off, right here. Now I do like to start by taking a microfiber and putting it underneath. That way you're not going to scratch your glass. You do have to use some caution. You don't want this to drop down, especially with the wiper off. You can actually crack your glass. Alright, we're going to move forward with a simply remove. So take a screwdriver and press this tab down and pull towards you, and the wiper will release. They can fight, but they do pull forward. You can see right here, this is really the only clip that holds it. Is just this press tab here, and then they pull forward. Alright, installation is just the opposite. I'm going to take my new wiper and I'm going to slide it back. There is a channel right here, so it slides back. You can feel it's caught. Push it all the way back till it locks in. Right there. Takes a little bit of pressure, and then once you hear it click and this little tab right here is locked in, give it a tug, you're good to go. Just keep in mind that this is the smaller of the two wiper blades. If you don't line it up correctly, or rather use the bigger one, you'll end up hitting right here because it's too long. So I'll just remove it and swap it over. Now there's a couple of ways to get to the driver's side. You can actually just reach over and try to get it here. You can lift it up and press the tab and slide up. Just have to be careful. You want to hold on to this arm so it doesn't slap back down and crack your windshield. But this is another way that I like to do it. So I like to hop in the car, turn the ignition on, and if I turn my wiper on, it's going to just do that. It's just going to do a wipe. So I turn my wiper on, it's actually going to be wiping continuously. So if I press my key out one time and I time it at the same time, my wiper is now in a good position to access that wiper blade. Now I prefer this method because I like to take my microfiber and put it underneath, again, so I don't slap the glass and cause damage. Just gives you that bit of safety measure. Same thing, press the tab down and it's going to be a slide up to release. This one actually came off a lot easier. And now I can just rest it on my microfiber. I don't have to worry about cracking the glass. I've seen a lot of people over the years accidentally crack a glass just replacing wiper blades. That can be an expensive mistake if you, depending on what kind of coverage you have. Alright, so again, simply install. I'm going to lift this up. I'm not going to really raise it that high. Make sure my tab is pressed a little bit because I have to get past the slider. But basically it slides into a groove. And wiggle and jiggle, pull it down, lock it in, give it a tug or a push up to verify it's locked, and you're good to go. Alright, so your wipers are all set, you're back in your car, and you go ahead and key it on. And let's say you start the car. And you're going to say, why are my wipers still sitting here in this position? That's because when you shut it off, it's going to remember that position because it is basically like an installation position. So in order for them to come back down, you just have to tap your wiper and they go ahead and come down. So just like you're activating them, you just tap your stock switch. I'm going to press it down to shut it off, and they're off now. So you can verify that they clear well, spray, and beautiful, nice and clean, no streaks. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Likes and positive comments, as always, is greatly appreciated. And thank you to all my subscribers.